Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. And thanks to AR Robotics, today we get to race. We have Mr. Hino's geared up Spike Prime bot versus the EV3 Gearbot. So AR Robotics, here we go. We're gonna race these guys today and see who's the faster robot. You guys have seen multiple videos with the EV3 Gearbot. You can check the description for the building instructions for that. And I will leave you a link to the building instruction for the Mr. Hino Spike Prime geared up Speedbot here, where I built that. And so I thought it would be fair to only use what was in the Spike Prime kit. Since the Spike Prime kit does not have the 40-tooth gear, I thought, why not just use the 32? So I'm gonna have both of these guys running the same exact program, just a forward at 100% speed using the 32 tooth gear, and I believe that should be the 12 tooth gear. And so we're just gonna see who wins in a race between the both of these bad guys. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. One, 2, 3, go. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, so there you have it. The Mr. Hino Spike Prime bot beat the EV3 Speedbot every single time. And I don't know, it was weird. I couldn't get the timing perfectly. Obviously 5 seconds is different on the Spike Prime app than the EV3 Classroom for some reason. But anyway, I will say this, that the Spike Prime bot here is a lot lighter than the EV3 bot. So, you can't just say, aha, you beat this guy, this guy can go, hey, I'm a heavier too. And so, it's a kind of an unfair advantage there. But what I want to do now is switch the gears and show you which one is a better climber, which one's going to be a better Gearbot. It's just going up an incline. The wheels are different, so what do you think? Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so here is the 38-degree angle here. I used to have a wooden board in my classroom, but coming here to Tennessee, I got rid of everything, so the ironing board is gonna have to work. So here we go. We are gonna see if this Gearbot can make it up this incline. Ooh, that's going off to the side a little bit, but he's going up like a champ. All right, now we're gonna give the Spike Prime Gearbot here a shot. Let's see what happens. Same 38-degree incline here. Oh, this guy is having an easy time getting up here. Like before, it's having a little issue staying up or going up, veering off to the right a little bit, but it's making it. It made it up the 21-degree angle incline. Let's try the Spike Prime bot. Let's see if it can make it. Mr. Hino, why is it having such a tough time? I think it's the Spike Prime wheels just have less surface area, so it's just going to have less traction, and it's just having a really tough time. Look at that. Yeah, let's try it one more time. Yeah, it's just having a tough time biting into this fabric here. It's doing a little better. You know what? Let me take the EV3 wheels and put it on here and see what happens. Okay, I just swapped out the front Spike Prime wheels with these EV3 wheels. And what do you think? I think it's going to be a huge difference. I think it's going to get up this ironing board because of the extra traction here on this tire. Yep. So, mystery solved. It's that tire. Look at that. Look at that. Getting up like a champ. Wow. Not even struggling. So this is now at 23 degrees of incline. Look at that. Wow. Not even an issue. Okay, I thought it was fitting that we use the Gearbot to put up the last level here of this ironing board. I know what it's thinking. It's like, great, thanks, Mr. Hino. Way to pour salt in the wounds. But we're going to go ahead and see how the Spike Prime Gearbot handles this incline. Okay, guys, this is 28 degrees of incline. And I think this robot has met its match. Let me see if I can just get it. No, it's just having a hard time digging into this fabric, and the incline and gravity are starting to take over here. It's okay, buddy, you can do it. It's working. It's sweating. Oh. Okay, it's just having a tough time getting up. This incline is just a little bit too much, and yeah, it's, hey buddy, you put in a lot of good work here. So as far as climbing goes, and again, this is going to probably have to do with a lot to do with its weight. The Spike Prime Gearbot definitely went up a higher incline, a higher degrees of incline. So way to go, Spike Prime Gearbot. Okay guys, so there you have it. But definitely a lot of things to consider. So number one, the Spike Prime Bot is a lot lighter than the EV3 Gearbot Speedbot. So it's going to enable it to go faster. It's going to enable it to, you know, when it's climbing, have less weight to be pulling up, you know, fighting against gravity. And also you got to remember that these tires were from the EV3 kit. So, you know, this is not all about the EV3 losing. It's just about doing what we always do in robotics, is figuring out the why. Why did it not do as well? And you have all these different variables of weight. You have the variables of the gears that you might use. You know, if the EV3 could use that 40-tooth gear, then that would have been a different story, right? So it's all a matter of what pieces and parts do you use on your Speedbot, Gearbot, but definitely a fun experiment, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all of you guys, and I'll have to see you in my next video. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics. I'm out.